In the midst of the ethereal winter landscape, where each flake of snow seemed to dance in the air like a delicate waltz, my two steadfast companions and I stood against the elements, united in our shared determination to brave the harsh weather. As the biting wind whipped around us, I could feel the icy tendrils of frost seeping into every fiber of my being. Yet the warmth of camaraderie spurred us onward. With each step forward, the pristine white canvas of the world around us gave way to our footprints, marking our path through the virgin snow. The weight of our boots pressed down, forging a trail of perseverance amidst the unforgiving terrain. Despite the numbing cold that threatened to paralyze us, our spirits remained undeterred, fueled by the shared excitement of embarking on this audacious journey. As we trudged onward, the once familiar landmarks became obscured by the swirling snowflakes, shrouding us in a cloak of uncertainty. Yet, guided by a sense of adventure and the bond of friendship, we pressed forward, navigating through the treacherous landscape with unwavering resolve. At last, following what seemed like an endless struggle against the wrath of nature, we discovered our heaven amid the turmoil. A desolate structure crafted from mud, once a thriving watermill, but now tarnished by the relentless passage of time and abandonment. Nevertheless, even in its decrepit condition, it provided us solace from the ceaseless onslaught of the elements. With relief washing over us, we ventured inside, our breath forming misty clouds in the frigid air. Within, we were met with a chorus of creaks and groans, as if the walls were murmuring stories of past. The dilapidated roof, marked by numerous holes, bore witness to its ruined state, allowing snowflakes to drift in and form captivating columns on the floor, creating a mesmerizing sight. Undaunted by the desolation encompassing us, we embarked on the task of turning our newly discovered refuge into a haven of coziness and solace. With skillful coordination, we diligently searched for any supplies available. Our actions harmonized in a graceful dance of collaboration. A fire was ignited, enveloping us in a warm glow that gently illuminated our tired expressions.
fark edin.
As the space became infused with the fragrant essence of the steeping tea and the tranquil melody of food, a serene tranquility settled upon us, offering refuge from the tumultuous world beyond our sanctuary. In the proximity of dancing flames, our hearts swelled with appreciation for the enduring bonds of companionship that had shepherded us through the tempest. In the crucible of adversity, we not only endured but thrived, emerging from the trial strengthened and united in our resolve. And as the snow continued its tranquil descent, enveloping the world in a peaceful embrace, we found solace in the knowledge that together we possessed the fortitude to confront whatever challenges lay ahead.